Cascada Showers presents the future of personal hygiene, the smart, self-cleaning toilet. Upgrade your home with cutting-edge comfort and convenience. This sleek, intelligent system features a luxurious heated seat and a powerful built-in air dryer, transforming your bathroom into a modern oasis. Hygiene is paramount. The integrated smart bidet offers fully customizable warm water cleansing, complete with self-cleaning and antibacterial nozzles and a relaxing massage function. For effortless maintenance, this tankless system features a hands-free auto flush and convenient control via both a wireless remote and smartphone app. Enjoy superior cleanliness, eco-friendly efficiency, and personalized comfort. Bring the ultimate in hands-free, intelligent luxury home with the Cascada Smart Toilet.